joint commissioner is here, your
हाँ,
lordship. He's
where is the joint commissioner? Call him. दो सवाल पूछे थे वकील साहब,
जी,
पीछे बैठ के
जी।
थोड़ा ना काम होगा।
अलग अलग जिलों में सर प्रोसेस
अलग अलग जिलों के नहीं, हम आपके बात कर रहे हैं। आपके जिले, आपके अंतर्गत कितने जिले आते हैं? उसके पहले आप कार्रवाई पूरी कर लीजिए।
सर बहुत जिलों में सर अभी
हमें नहीं मालूम, अगर नहीं हुआ है तो आपके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी। We understand that why they want to kill democracy in the cooperative societies. 20,000 रुपए कॉस्ट लगा के टाइम दे देते हैं, 24 केस लगे हैं।
And if I may be granted only 10 minutes time for seeking some instructions. Your
What
lordship.
instructions?
Because if it is an undertaking, then I'll have to.
नहीं, I'm not saying undertaking, I'm saying that this is the document. आपको क्या लगता है अंकित जी ऐसे ही बैठे हैं यहाँ पर?
नहीं, आप ही की वजह से,
क्या समझते हैं?
आप ही की वजह से बन गया सर।
नहीं, हमारी वजह से कुछ नहीं बना है। Yes.
May I please, your lordship. Your lordship, these are connected matters. In respect of their, in most of them, your lordship, the challenge is to the appointment of
हमने
the.
दो सवाल पूछे थे वकील साहब,
जी,
पीछे बैठ के
जी।
थोड़ा ना काम होगा।
No,
Where is the
he
counsel?
had another matter. The joint commissioner is here, your
हाँ,
lordship. He's
where is the joint commissioner? Call him. When was this reorganization of PSCC was started?
1 मार्च 2023 से स्टार्ट हुआ।
हैं?
1 मार्च 2023 से।
तो कब तक पूरा होगा ये रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग? क्या पॉलिसी है इस बारे में?
इसमें सर
आप अपनी कन्वीनियंस से करेंगे क्या? रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग के लिए क्या सिद्धांत है, क्या पॉलिसी है?
सर इसमें कलेक्टर की अध्यक्षता में जिला स्तर पर कमेटी
कलेक्टर
बनेगी।
को बुलवा लेते हैं, अगर आप कहना है कि कलेक्टर ने नहीं किया तो।
अलग अलग जिलों में सर प्रोसेस
अलग अलग जिलों के नहीं, हम आपके बात कर रहे हैं। आपके जिले, आपके अंतर्गत कितने जिले आते हैं?
सर 8 जिले सर।
हाँ, तो 8 जिले में कब तक ये क्या पॉलिसी निर्णय था कि कितने समय में ये रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग पूरी करनी है? एंड हाउ लॉन्ग यू कैन पोस्टपोन इलेक्शंस इन द गार्ब ऑफ रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग? My question was specific in the morning. It is as clear as it was during the first session.
सर जबलपुर संभाग में सर अलग अलग जिलों की स्थिति सर मैं बताऊँ। डिंडोरी में सर जैसे कि 21 सोसाइटियों का आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो गया है।
हाँ,
और इनमें सर धारा 16 का नोटिस भी जारी हुआ है।
हाँ।
इसमें आम सभा होना बाकी है सर। जबलपुर में सर 4 सोसाइटियों का आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो चुका है सर। कटनी में
ये
सर
काम कब पूरा हो जाएगा? उसके लिए क्या समय सीमा तय की गई है? मैं आपसे सवाल ये पूछ रहा हूँ। आपने बोला कि मार्च 2023 में, अभी अगस्त खत्म हो रहा है, सितंबर आ रहा है।
विभाग से जो समय सीमा दी गई थी वो सर सितंबर तक दी गई थी सर।
कौन सी सितंबर तक की थी?
सितंबर 23 तक है।
सितंबर 23 ना, 30 सितंबर 23,
6 सितंबर 9 सितंबर तक सर।
9 सितंबर तक। तो आप 9 सितंबर तक रिस्ट्रक्चर पूरा करा लीजिए, उसके 1 महीने में चुनाव करा लीजिए। क्या कि हम पिटीशन डिस्पोज ऑफ कर देते हैं अभी सारी। आपकी अंडरटेकिंग नोट कर लेते हैं कि विभाग ने 9 सितंबर तक की समय सीमा रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग के लिए डिसाइड की थी। 9 सितंबर तक रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग पूरी कर ली जाएगी। उसके बाद में जो है 30 दिन के अंदर इलेक्शन कराने की कार्रवाई पूरी की जाएगी और उसके 30 दिन के भीतर इलेक्शन करा लिया जाएगा। टाइम टेबल डिसाइड हो गया, 9 सितंबर से 9 अक्टूबर, 9 अक्टूबर से 9 नवंबर। उसके पहले आप कार्रवाई पूरी कर लीजिए।
सर बहुत जिलों में सर अभी
हमें नहीं मालूम, अगर नहीं हुआ है तो आपके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी। You cannot postpone a thing to suit your convenience or to suit the convenience of your masters. हर कोऑपरेटिव बॉडी का बेसिक फंडामेंटल राइट है कि उनका इलेक्शन हो, टाइम से गठन हो बॉडी का। नहीं तो हम आपके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेंगे। And your collector will also not be spared. If he is at fault, he will also face the music.
May I?
जी।
May I submit, your lordship? In fact, your lordship, there are about 4,544 PAC societies in the entire state.
जी।
Now, the elections to these, in some of these elections have taken place.
जी।
In the others, elections have not taken place. There was a Government of India coordination meeting between the Government of India and all the states, and there was an order for restructuring, reorganization of these PAC societies.
Where are the minutes of that meeting?
Your lordship, in a matter which is, in fact, the similar matter is seized by the honorable division bench, and in that we have filed a detailed status report. I'm providing. I'm providing that, your lordship. In that matter, your lordship, we've filed a detailed status report in this regard.
Yes.
And taking note of this, your lordship.
What is the गजट नोटिफिकेशन 24/1/23 का? पढ़िएगा उसमें क्या लिखा है 24/1/23 में गजट नोटिफिकेशन में। Madhya Pradesh legislation in itna, this act may be called Madhya Pradesh Cooperative Societies Amendment Act 2022. It shall come into force from the date of its publication in the Madhya Pradesh Gazette. In section 49 of the Madhya Pradesh Cooperative Societies Act, itna, hereinafter referred to as the Principal Act, in subsection 7A in clause B in the second proviso after the word Central Society, the words Primary Agriculture Credit Cooperative Society shall be inserted. ठीक है. उसके बाद में in section 1 in the second proviso after the Central Society इतना in subsection 12 in the second proviso after इतना. तो जहाँ सेंट्रल सोसाइटी था वहाँ पर आपने प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी जोड़ दिया
जी.
ये अमेंडमेंट हो गया जनवरी 2023 में
जी.
उसके बाद वेयर आर द मिनट्स ऑफ द मीटिंग बिटवीन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट.
Your Lordship, those minutes are not on record, but Your Lordship may kindly see in paragraph 5 point, in paragraph 7, Your Lordship.
Paragraph
7,
page number
at page 3.
page 3 of your status report.
Ji.
Yes.
It is most humbly submitted that the answering respondents are committed to conducting the elections of the PACs, Primary Agriculture Credit Cooperative Societies in the state of MP. It is submitted that currently there is one PACs for average 3 to 5 gram
बता दिया वो.
जी जी.
उसके बाद जब ये amendment हो
In
गया,
furtherance of a coordination meeting held between the Government of India, Ministry of Cooperation and the states in September 22, it was observed in the meeting that for better governance of local self bodies and cooperatives.
that we have understood.
Ji.
The question to you is either you are not understanding the question or you are trying to circumvent it. Question to you is that when this decision, we are not challenging, this court has no authority to challenge your decision. You may form packs for even a one village or even cluster of
Yes.
certain colonies in a village, that is your discretion.
Yes.
When this decision was taken, why it has not been implemented and why elections are not taking place.
In fact,
You
Your
must
Lordship,
have
if the
framed some time
timeline,
limit.
yes, timeline was
Where
there,
is
Your
that
Lordship.
timeline?
That has been revised.
Where is that timeline?
That timeline at page 20. That
Page
has
20.
subsequently been revised, Your Lordship, now.
Let us see page 20. What does it say? Where
At
is the
the-
revision?
The revision, Your Lordship, is there.
Your joint registrar is not aware of the revised timelines. He was giving this date 6/9/2023.
No, he was aware, Your Lordship.
Then why he made a statement in open court. I had not put any words in his mouth.
No, I don't know.
अब दीजिए रिवाइज टाइमलाइन दिखाइए क्या है ये. क्या क्या जस्टिफिकेशन है इस रिवाइज टाइमलाइन का?
Your Lordship, in fact, what has happened if the timeline is seen, Your Lordship, all the acts have to be carried out, the proceedings have to be carried out by each district. And it's as per even section 16(3), they are required to call for objections, then the Aam Sabha is to be
टाइम लिमिट
conducted.
दी हुई है ना सब, ये सारी टाइम
जी,
लिमिट
जी,
बनाई हुई है,
सबकी बनाई
तो इसमें
हुई।
क्यों नहीं हुई कार्रवाई?
Your Lordship, that because to be every
ये आपकी रिवाइज गाइडलाइन आ गई 7/3/2024 तक की, तो आप 7/3/2024 के पहले चुनाव करा लेंगे.
ये तो सर reorganization हो जाएगा, because that will result in a consequential change in the voter list also.
ठीक है, तो 7/3 तक कर लेंगे ना आप ये सारी चीजें.
जी
पंजीयन उपरांत सदस्यों के अनुपात में उनकी आस्तियों व दायित्वों का बंटवारा करना,
जी,
ये सब
assets
हो
and
जाएगा.
liabilities, ये
7/3 तक हो जाएगा.
7/3/24 तक हो
आप
जाएगा
उसके 30 दिन के अंदर चुनाव कराइए.
जी.
देखिएगा. ठीक है.
As far as my case is concerned, my relief is that 2018 we have applied for election.
ठीक है, वो लिख देते हैं
Now,
इसमें, लिख
now
देते हैं.
that PIL, I have filed that PIL. The issue was that 45, apart from 45.
We understand that why they don't want to conduct elections in
Yeah,
cooperative societies, and
Now-
therefore they are in such a quandary.
They say that our administrators are working in the society.
नहीं, they are not.
So till
We
then,
understand that why they want to kill democracy in the cooperative societies.
Your Lordship, in fact, that meeting, in fact, the coordination meeting of
You have not
government
brought
of
anything
India.
on record.
No, that
If you would have,
If your
if
your
you would have been
Lordship may
fair,
permit
you should have brought that coordination committee meeting minutes
no,
on
it is-
record.
It is mentioned in the order subsequently passed, Your Lordship, in that
Think
status.
of that and the minutes, they are two different things.
We'll place that also. Your
No, we
Lordship,
will
it
not have an
some
opportunity
time.
to place. Now we'll say that you will conduct elections, you will complete the whole proceeding. There is an undertaking to complete it by 7/3/2024, and you will complete elections within 45 days thereof.
yes.
देखिएगा, this whole bunch of petitions
Your Lordship, that
with a
I may,
singular issue.
if I may
that-
be permitted to
No,
bring all these facts on
No, no,
record.
no. Now you have said you have already.
Morning also, Your Lordship, we had sought time to bring all these facts
Sorry,
on record,
sorry,
Your Lordship. We had
sorry.
sought time for that.
And you have not brought them, any one of them. आपको सब में हमने तो सुबह ही ऑफर दिया था 20-20 हजार रुपए कॉस्ट लगा के टाइम दे देते हैं 24 केस लगे हैं आप 4,80,000 रुपए जमा
Sometimes so that they are only on
I'll grant you
record.
time. I'll grant you time. I'm not seeking disposal. If you want time, I'll grant you time subject to payment of cost. And each case you pay cost. Let your joint registrar pay cost. And I'll grant you time. Or we'll say that this is the revised timeline and you will adhere to it and get the elections conducted within 45 days of this 7/3/2024. That is by end of the April 2024. लिखिएगा.
Then, if I may be granted only 10 minutes time for seeking some instructions. Your
What
Lordship.
instructions?
Because if it is an undertaking, then I'll have to.
नहीं, I'm not saying undertaking. I'm saying that this is the document.
Those directions may be then lost. Your Lordship.
नहीं, the directions
Undertaking may not be recorded.
Please, this is the revised timeline. I'll say that. Please listen to the order now. लिखिएगा.
Lordship, if I may, Lordship.
You are appearing for whom?
For intervener, Lordship, in item number 2.
What is your locus?
Lordship, we are the farmers and members who are associated with the.
Unless this society is reconstituted, what is your locus?
Lordship, our prayer, very prayer is to reconstitute the societies.
So intervene. You cannot intervene. You should have filed an independent petition. You can intervene only to object to the relief claimed by the petitioner.
Lordship, that we are objecting, Lordship.
ठीक है, चलिए.
Lordship, the
Sorry.
petitioners are functioning as
ठीक है, चलिएगा. लिखिएगा.
and we are agreed by the action of the
Petitioners
administrators.
have filed this petition. These petitions have been filed mainly seeking a relief that authorities of the state government are acting in an inappropriate manner and they have appointed administrators to primary agriculture cooperative societies starting from 2018 and are not conducting any elections to the said societies on one or the other pretext. Next para. श्रीमती जानवी पंडित लर्नेड डिप्टी एडवोकेट जनरल डिप्टी एडिशनल है एडिशनल एडवोकेट जनरल appears for the state in the second round. Full stop. It is submitted that some reply is filed in WP 19114/2018. Full stop. Ms. Pandit submits that there was a coordination committee meeting between the representatives of the Union of India and the state of Madhya Pradesh, and a decision was taken to reconstitute the PACCs. ऊपर वहां जहां लिखा है ना प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी वहां ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिएगा PACCs. Full stop. Now it is proposed to constitute PACC with 1 or 2 villages as a cluster. Full stop. Thus, it is prayed that some more time is required to conduct elections and institutionalize democratic procedure in the democratic process in the PACCs. Full stop. Next para. She has produced revised timeline across the board, which was issued on 29/8/2023 by the Deputy Commissioner Cooperatives Madhya Pradesh by dispatch number /credit/law/2023/2398. Next para. तो आज ही बनवा लाया
आपके ऑर्डर के बाद फिर बना 29/8 आज ही है.
हाँ आज ही मुझे मालूम है भाई. आपको क्या लगता है अंकित जी ऐसे ही बैठे हैं यहाँ पर?
नहीं आप ही की वजह से
क्या समझते हैं?
आप ही की वजह से बन गया सर.
नहीं हमारी वजह से कुछ नहीं बना है. हमें ये गलतफहमी नहीं है. फुल स्टॉप.